I'm going to be showing you the standard algorithm for multiplication involving a multi-digit number times a single-digit number. I will also be showing you how the partial products compares so you can see the steps that we are taking. My problem here is 2,869 times 6. In partial products, I would decompose my larger number into place values. So I can go ahead and do that now, and I will show you the 4 multiplication problems that I come up with. Since 6 is going to be the common factor in all of my partial products, I can say that 6 times 9 will give me a product. I can say that 6 times 60 will give me a product. I can say that 6 times 800 will give me a product. And I can also state that 6 times 2000 will give me a product. And as you can see, I have 4 different equations that I will have to solve for in my partial products. Let's start with the standard algorithm. I will go ahead and I will multiply 6 times 9. That is 54. I'm in my ones place value, so I will put my 4 down, and I will compose my 5 tens above my tens place value. And that's the same as over here, where I will do 6 times 9, and I will get 54. My next multiplication fact will be 6 times 60. And then I will add on to that the 5 more tens that I have. 6 times 60 is 360, plus 50 more is 410. I can also think about it in order to help me as multiplying 6 times 6 is 36, plus 5 more is 41. Then, because I know this is in the tens place value, I make my answer 10 times greater. That's 410. I put the 1 in the tens place, and I compose my 400s over the hundreds place value. Here, I do the same thing. 6 times 60 is 360. My next fact I can think of is 6 times 8, which is 48, plus 4 more is 52. So I can put the 2 in the hundreds place because I know it's 100 times bigger. It's going to be 520. So I compose my 5. It's the same here. 6 times 8 is 4,800. My last fact here will be 6 times 2, which is 12, plus 5 more, which is 17. Or I can think of it as 6 times 2,000, which is 12,000, plus 5 more thousand is 17,000. And I do the same here. 6 times 2,000 is 12,000. And you'll see that I lined everything up so that I can add it together. 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 11. I compose my 1. 11 plus 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. Compose the 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. And I bring down my 1 in the 10,000s place. You can see that I have the same exact answer for either one. If you decide to use partial products, just make sure you line up all your place values so that it makes it easy to add. If you use partial products, you also have to make sure to show for every place values, the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and the thousands. For the standard algorithm, just make sure that you compose over the proper place value and that you put your answer in the proper place value at the bottom. Now you see the comparison between the two, and you can choose which one that you prefer to use.